Okay, so College Station, Texas is where we are right now at the Holiday Inn and Suites Aggieland. And we're going to show you one of their rooms that have a king bed with a jetted whirlpool tub. So let's go take a look.
So here we are inside on the 5th floor, room number 504, and it's one of their king rooms with a jetted tub. It's a two-person tub, and we found both the tub and the room very clean. The cheapest rates for an in-room jetted tub like this at this Holiday Inn start at around $172 a night in low season. Here's a look at the jetted tub in action with the jets on, and as you can see, everything worked very well, just as it should. As for the rest of the room, pretty typical Holiday Inn. Mini fridge, microwave, Keurig coffee machine, flat screen TV, and a long countertop with a pull-out desk. Downstairs there is a nice lobby with a pantry area where you can purchase drinks, snacks, and microwavable food. The pool and hot tub are indoor. Pretty quiet in the mornings as you'll see here, but most evenings and weekends I'm sure it gets much busier. Now, unlike Holiday Inn Express hotels, there's no free breakfast here at this property. It may be included in your room rate, depending on what you paid, but otherwise you can purchase it for about $12.95 per person. Thanks for joining us on this tour of a jetted tub suite at the Holiday Inn College Station Aggieland, and we'll see you again here soon on ExcellentRomanticVacations.com.